it is. Munchies. Munchies is dedicated to you lazy motherfuckers out there. Yeah, you that's watching my video. You know what? We making baked potatoes. Bring it all over here real quick. So this is what you need in the video. You need butter, sour cream, oil, cheese, some rosemary, minced rosemary, bacon. I don't care how much potatoes you want, and a little bit of salt, right? First, what you gotta do is take a fork. You know what I'm saying? Stab holes in this real quick. Put a little oil. Put these on the actual tray, sheet tray. So I'm saying, don't make a mess. Put oil and salt around the potatoes. You know, even them out, spread it out. And we're gonna put it in the oven for 350 degrees for 1 hour. Potatoes done. What you gotta do now, slit it down the middle. You know what I'm saying? Hit it with one of these. Ooh! Hold on, that shit hot. We're gonna do it like this though. We're gonna do it like this though. We're gonna do it like this though. Nigga. What you talking about? Nigga. Take a spoon. Scoop out all the potato insides. Put it in the bowl. Right. After you take out all your potatoes, right? Put bacon in there. Some little cheese. All your rosemary. A little bit of sour cream in there. And a little bit of butter. Mix this up. Bring the camera back here. You know what I'm saying? Don't look at those potatoes, just look at this one, right? You know what I'm saying? Put it back in, push it down, and who's calling me? This nigga Korean. So, fill up the rest of your potatoes, top it off, put a little cheese on top, right? And put this back in the oven for a little 25 minutes, right? Until the cheese melts, and then we're done. Y'all see it. Y'all see the baked potato. This dirty ass plate because you know we're ghetto, right?